Hi friends, welcome back to FinveStocks. Today we are going to discuss the fourth stock in the independent series. We already discussed 3 stocks from this series. Today we will cover one company from Midcap segment. If you are new to this channel, please do consider subscribing this channel. And also don't forget to like, comment and share if you like the video. So we will discuss about the company overview, financials about the company, all the technical charts available, whether this company at current level is a buy, hold or sell, and also we will see the levels to watch for this particular company. So as a disclaimer, the stock discussed here in this video are not a buy recommendation. It's only for study purpose. Please discuss with your financial advisor before investing. So in this series, we already talked about 2 companies from large cap segment. First one is Reliance and the second one is ICICI Bank. From mid cap segment, last video we discussed about the IT giant, which is fast growing, that is TATA ELXSI. Today we are going to discuss about one more mid cap giant, that is Polycab. Polycab is one of the fast growing wires and cable company in our country. Polycab. Polycab is India's leading manufacturer of cables and wires and allied products such as UPVC contacts and lugs and glands. More recently, Polycab has also launched a wide range of consumer electrical products like fans, switches, switchgear, LED lights, solar inverters, pumps, etc. Polycab has 25 manufacturing facilities at 7 locations. Out of them, 4 are manufacturing FMEG products, which is fast-moving electrical goods. If you see the company snapshot, there are a lot of products offered by Polycab. They are into FMEG, that is fast-moving electrical goods such as fan, lights, heaters, etc. They are also into solar products, also into IoT-based smart products, and their major junk is in wires and cables. If you see Polycab's overall network in India, they have 24 manufacturing facilities spread along 7 manufacturing locations. If you see the overall market share, 20% of the market share is from Polycab. Now let's see the revenue mix of Polycab. If you see product-wise breakup, 87.4% is from wires and cables. 10.2% of the revenue is coming from fast-moving electrical goods, FMEG, which is one of the fast-growing sector. And others contribute 2.4%. If you see the revenue breakup in terms of location, India is producing 92.4% of the revenue, whereas rest of the world contributes 7.6%. When we look into distribution channel, B2B segment holds 61.3%, whereas B2C contributes 38%. Others contribute 0.8%. If you see operating profit breakup, 94.3% comes from wires and cables. FMEG contributes 1.8%. Others contribution is 4%. Before going into company snapshot, we will just see FY22 highlights. The company has accumulated overall revenue of around 12,203 crores, which is having a year-on-year growth of 39%. EBITDA growth is around 14%, which contributes 1,262 crores. The overall PAT of the company is around 917 crores, which is having a growth of 4% year-on-year. Now let's see the company snapshot of Polycab. Polycab is currently trading at a price range of 2,604 rupees. The company is having an overall market cap of 38,976 crores. Currently, the stock is trading at a PE of 37.0, which is high compared to the industry standard. The industry PE is around 30.3. The company is having a book value of 371 rupees with a dividend yield of 0.54, which is average. The company is holding higher valuation because of higher ROCE and higher ROE. ROCE is in the range of 22.5%, whereas ROE is 17.3%. Both are very good. The company is having a face value of 10 rupees and the debt to equity ratio is 0.02, which is the company is holding negligible debt. or literally the company is having no debt. It is holding 0% pledged shares. That means not a single share is pledged in this company. The PEG ratio is 1.2, which is very good. It shows the immense potential of company to grow. The company is having a sales growth of 35.5%, whereas profit growth is in the range of 25.8, which is very good. If you see ROE for last 3 years, it is around 19.6%, which is very good. Whereas ROCE for last 3 years is around 24.8%, which is very good. If you see the average sales growth and profit growth, sales growth is around 15.2%, whereas profit growth is in the range of 21.4%. Both are very good. The net cash flow is in the range of minus 116 crores. Now let's see the shareholding pattern of Polycab. Promoters are holding 68% of the shares, whereas DAIs is holding around 1.1% and FII is holding around 5.7%. Mutual fund holds 8%. Rest of the retailers are holding 17.3%. Now let's see the profit and loss statement of Polycab. The overall sales of the company in 2014 was around 3,986 crores. Currently, it is around 12,200 crores, which is having a massive jump of around 3 times. If you see the net profit, the company has grew from 89 crores in 2014 to currently 917 crores, which is having a good jump of approximately 10 times. If you consider our last 8 years, the sales of the company has grown by 3 times, whereas the profit has grew by 10 times, which shows the company's efficiency in converting sales into profit. Now let's see the cash flow of Polycab. In cash flow, there are 3 important terms. First one is the operating activity, that is cash generated operating activity, cash generating from investing activity, and cash generating from financing activities. It is always good to have positive cash flow from operating activity, as this is the core business of the company. Whereas cash from investing activity can be negative, which shows companies investing in land as some of the fixed assets. Whereas the cash from financing activities also can be negative, which shows companies keen in paying out borrowings and all. Now let's see the cash flow in detail. So one of the important term in cash flow is profits from operation. So in 2014, the cash from operating profits is around 354 crores, which has grown to 1334 crores in 2022, which shows a significant growth in operating cash flow. Last year it was around 1233. So it is showing good growth over last year. The next one is cash from investing activity. Cash from investing activity is around minus 427 crores, which shows company had invested some amount in some of the fixed assets. Now we can see fixed asset purchased, that is around minus 527 crores. That means company has purchased fixed assets for 527 crores. That is very good, which is adding assets to the company and which can generate cash flow in future. Now let's see some of the important ratios. The company is having latest ROE of around 16.39%, which is very good. If you see last 3 years average, it is around 18.24%, which is very good. And 5 years average is also 17.51. So company is maintaining good ROE across the years. In terms of ROCE, the latest ROCE is in the range of 20.34%. And if you see the average ROE over 3 years and 5 years, all are showing good numbers, which is about 20%. If you see the net profit margin, the latest net profit margin is in the range of 7.5%. And company is maintaining net profit margin across the years. So debt to equity ratio, currently it is 0.01. So company has reduced debt significantly from 5 years average of 0.11 to 0.01. This shows the company's interest to repay the debts. If you see the number of debtors day, this has been drastically reduced over the years. Currently it is at 39 days. If you see the cash conversion cycle, that is converting raw material into finished good, it is taking 77 days, which is reduced drastically from the previous years, which is very good, which shows better cash flow. The working capital days also reduced significantly, which shows good improvement over the years. If you see last 1 year chart, the company has generated a return of around 7.91%, which is okay compared to bank FD rates. If you see return over last 5 years period, the company has generated 300% return. That means if you had invested 1 lakh 5 years ago, it has been converted into 3 lakh rupees, which is very good. Now let's see the daily chart of Polycab. If you see the daily chart of Polycab across last 2 years, it is showing a good uptrend. Now currently the company is trading in a range band for last 1 year. That means it is stuck in a channel in between 2200 to 2800 range. So it is moving sideways within this band. So it is matter of time when it is moving out of this band. Once it is moved out of this band, it can move higher. Now let's see the weekly chart. In weekly chart, we plotted different EMAs, that is 20-day EMA, 50-day EMA and 100-day EMA. So Polycab is always respecting the 20-day moving average. In fact, 20-week moving average. But currently it is moving in sideways, that is in a particular channel. So once it is moved out of this channel, it can go a potential good upside. Now let's see the technical analysis of Polycab on daily charts. Here we have plotted Bollinger Band as well as RSI. So if you see the current RSI of Polycab, it is trading well above the 60 range, which shows good momentum over the short term. And in Bollinger Band, it is walking through the upper band, which shows good momentum. And currently it is slightly coming down towards the middle region. The overall conclusion is Polycab is one of the market leader with good financial and superior management. So Polycab is a future multi-bagger in coming times. So one can safely invest Polycab at current levels. So one can start accumulate Polycab in the range of 2200 to 2600 range for a good upside potential over the years. In our next video, we will see small cap stock which is having a good potential to grow in the coming future. So already we discussed 2 stocks from large cap and 2 stocks from mid cap. So the next one is from small cap segment. Can you guess the stock? It's a small cap company from QSR segment. It is one of the fast growing QSR segment stock.
Please do like if you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to get the notifications of upcoming videos on personal finance and stock market. Please post your valuable comments. Do follow the Friday Basics to make your stock market journey easy. Thanks for watching and have a good day.